Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Guide. If you are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for never miss any update. So today I will show you how to implement a push button with Arduino. So let's get started. For implementation push button with Arduino, you need this kind of 4-pin push button, one Arduino. Here I am using a Arduino Uno, some jumper wires, 1 kilo ohm resistor, LED, and here I make this circuit on this breadboard. Here I control this LED by using this push button.
Here you can see the circuit diagram. Here the switch is placed in the breadboard. This switch connects with the Arduino via this blue wire. This blue wire connects with the pin number 2 of Arduino. In my case, this will be the pin number 4. And this switch is grounded via this 1 kilo ohm resistor. And this red wire is the power supply, and it is connected with this 5-volt pin of Arduino.
Here you can see I completed the connection of this push button with Arduino. I make this connection as shown my previous schematic diagram. Here you can see I connect a 1 kilo ohm resistor with this push button, and I make this resistor ground with the help of this brown wire which connects with the GND pin of Arduino. And here you can see this green wire connects with this 5-volt pin of Arduino, and this blue wire connects with the pin number 4 of Arduino. And here you can see LED is connected in this pin number 13 of Arduino.
Here you can see this is a coding part. At first I declare my button pin, which is the BTN, which is connect with the pin number 4 of Arduino, and then I declare the LED pin, which is connects with the pin number 13 of Arduino, and I take a variable which is button state, and I make this variable 0. In the void setup I declare my input and output pin. Here my input pin is BTN and my output pin is LED pin. In the void loop, here I read the status of the pin number 4 via this digital read function, and I transfer the value to the button state variable. If the button state equals to high, then my LED pin is high, else my LED pin is low all time. And I give the link of this code in my description box. If you have any problem, then please put a comment in the comment section. Now I am going to upload this code on my Arduino board.
I uploaded my code on this Arduino board. Now I am going to press this push button. Here you can see this light will glow up. So here you can see this light is glowing. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.